Hi, I'm Ryan with Absolute Mortgage.
And I'm Lawton with Hometown Advisor Real Estate.
Here are a few things to consider when determining whether you want to rent or buy a home.
Renting not only costs you money that you can't access again, your rent also pays your landlord's mortgage by helping them pay down the balance of what they owe on the property.
Historically, the cost of renting rises 3% annually in this area. Your landlord may continue to raise your rent, but their mortgage payment won't change. In other words, landlords are reaping all the benefit of ownership and equity in their property.
When homeowners pay down their mortgage, a portion of the monthly payment reduces the balance of what they owe on the property. You're essentially paying yourself by making a mortgage payment each month because you can access the equity built over time by selling or taking out with a refinance.
Renting can be like throwing money out the window. Paying your mortgage is like putting money in a savings account each month. Which is more beneficial for you?
Let us know if you're interested in learning more about this. All questions are welcomed and we are here to help.
Have a great day.
Talk with you soon.